Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to Harley's Fine Bakehouse, that is Harley's Ivory Lounge, which was very popular in Hyderabad and its branch is now open in Bangalore. Their specialty is they make all of these desserts with honey and they have some super exotic cuisine and their food is quite popular in Hyderabad. If we look at its menu, items are around in the range of 200 and something, 180, all the cappuccinos, mocktails, all of that. If we are coming to the food menu, they are around 200 and something, 300 and something, in that range. Pastas around 275 and pizzas around 410. These are the widespread of their desserts which are quite popular. But if you want to taste everything and don't want to buy a single slice, then they have an option. That is the dessert box. Depending on how many flavors you want to choose, you can choose that dessert box. If you want to try 6 flavors, then you can choose what we chose. That costed us around 600 and something with tax. So you can choose whatever flavors they'll customize and give accordingly, so that you can taste their multiple flavors according to your wish. If you want more, then they have 9, 12 boxes as well. Their half kg cake is 900 rupees and their slices of cake is around 200 and something, 300 and something, depending on what flavor you choose if you need only one slice. So depending on your wish and will, you can choose the desserts. We personally liked all the flavors over here, but depending on your taste, you can choose the flavors whatever you like. The desserts are the most popular amongst everything, but even their Italian cuisine is famous for. If any of you have already visited this cafe, then you can comment us below regarding your experience. Or if you have any doubt, then you can comment us and ask us about it. This is about Harley's Ivory Lounge, popularly known as Harley's Fine Baking. This is located in JP Nagar second phase near Kind Coffee.